Liking my hair. Do you like it? Anyway, it's 10:39. We just finished breakfast. And si Daddy, siya na lang umakit para kunin yung things kasi check out na kami. Then we're gonna go to the Port of Lost Wonder. Ayun si Zeb. Zeb! Say hi! Grabe ang haba ng tulog nila namin. Mga magna 9:30 na nagising. Diba si... Where? What? We have to ask... Naghahanap ng coin sa akin. Alam na alam niya. I don't have money here. We'll wait for Daddy. Ano to? Zeb! Wait lang. As I was saying, ang sarap ng tulog namin. Nila Zeb, Tutsa, Zach. Kasi madilim na yung room, yung cortina talagang blackout talaga. So, ano ba normally si Zeb? 7:30, 7 o'clock gising na yan. Kanina, dire-diretso yung tulog. So yun, sabi ko nga kay Daddy, dapat ganun na yung cortina namin sa kwarto. Anyways, yan pa rin. Hintayin na namin si Daddy. And we're going. Go, go, Dad! We're here. Yeah. Who's there? guys, we are having the time of our lives, Zeb and I. But now it's time for lunch first. We're gonna eat. Okay? Eat ka na rin. Oh, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Whoa! You made it! Yay! We're going now. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Masaya ka ba? Masaya ka ba? Anyway, it's 3:30 na and we're going home na. Zeb, did you enjoy? Huh? Did you enjoy? Yes. Let's go. Bagsak ang bata. We're here na sa taxi. Waiting. Hey guys, we're back home. Kanino pa? Yung mga 4? No, magpo 4:30. And now it's 6:15. Pagdating namin, hindi pa ako nakakahiga nga eh. Ligpit ng mga gamit, nagsalang ng labada, nagsampay, pinaliguan si Zach. And now I'm off to the grocery para bumili ng bigas. Kasi magsasayang dapat ako dahil may ulam pa kami dyan. But then, wala na palang bigas. So, yeah, let's go. Yeah? Hi. Come and get it. Push yourself, push. Yeah. What? Yeah? What? And then? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You want to push yourself? Yes. Oh, push yourself. Happy. Yes. Hey guys, it's 7:45. Is it? Tama na ba yung relo namin? Anyway, yeah, and siguro yung hindi ko pa na-edit yung vlog yesterday and then yung today's vlog, I think mahaba-haba dahil ang dami kong kuha from the GoPro. So, I think it's better to end this na para hindi na sumobrang haba. And wala na rin namang ganap. Grabe, I'm so tired. Ngayon ako nakahiga. As in, kasi, diba, nag-grocery ako. Pagdating ko, nagluto pa ako. Nagprito lang ako ng talong for me. Tapos si daddy, kinain niya pa yung sinigang sa miso. Yun na kinakain niya ngayon. So, yun. Tapos, kumain ako. Sabay kami ni Zeb. And yun, yun lang kami tapos. And that's the end of the day. So, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Kasi, ang dami ko mga... I feel like ang dami ko mga nakakatuwang shots with Zeb kanina dun sa Port of Lost Wonder. Yun nga pala, it's... Yung name nung pinuntahan namin is Port of Lost Wonder. That's in Sentosa. And then... yung bata lang ang may bayad, yung adults. Basta every kid, dapat merong accompanying adult. So, kanina, ang alam ko kasi si Zach, wala pa tong bayad. Pero kasi may promotion sila na if you use MasterCard, parang buy one, take one. So, technically, basta $10 ang binayad namin. Lahat na kaming 4 nakapasok nun. So, yun. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Enjoy kasi First time ko nakapunta doon kasi, yun nga, hindi ko na malaya na yung area na yun, kung saan kami kinasal. Doon yun banda, sa kung saan kami nagkinasal. Yung area na yun, na nirenovate pala, tapos nang meron na palang ganong ganap, hindi ko alam. So, sayang pala last year. Ewan ko kung last year, open na yun. Pero okay lang din, mas enjoy na ni Zeb ngayon yun kesa last year. So, yun. Kung pupunta kayo na Sentosa and meron kayong kids, don't miss that out kasi it's super fun. Like yung slide, gusto ko mag-slide. Hindi ko na maiwan si Zeb kasi kahit ako, nag-enjoy naman siya sa slide. Gusto naman niya. Pero parang, nag-enjoy naman siya. Pero hindi lang kami ganun kadalas nag-slide. Pero yun. Anyway, yun lang. Bye. Good night.